Tony Gruber wins at Hongnor Master GT event in Asia with Hongnor machine. Ryan Lutz triple in the USA with his Kyosho draggy buggy and brushless draggy machines. Miguel Matias wins at Christmas Trophy in Portugal with associated OS machine. Nemo Racing Agama success at Clanfield Dirt Masters UK, both in buggy and draggy. Kanai and friends with Kyosho draggies in Asia. Walter Cusimano, HB Racing Shepis in Italy. Wiggins and Aka part ways in the USA. INS 13 by J Concepts Indoor National Series calendar is now available. Infinity presented the IF14-2 Team Edition 110 scale on-road electric touring car machine with many improvements and options for the 2023 season. Reds Racing Super Veloce 721 engine, new cooling head, new graphics, new rear bearing and more improvements. Yokomo presented the BD11 Team Edition machine. The Nemo Racing Agama N1 will soon be available on its final production edition. Beautiful machine with many innovative solutions. Yokomo now has a multitude of options for their BD11 110 scale touring machine, available to improve the performance of the on-road electric machine. Runtime always updated blend, now the world's winning blend available. Corsatec presented their LiPo batteries 8400 mA and 7400 mA. The X-Ray XB423 available the 16th of December.